Okay, so next up on our list is going to be the concept of reading and writing to the console in variables. As we already see right here, we have a console.writeLine hello world that allows us to write stuff out to the console, and we can place as many of these as we want. We can say hello world 3 times. There's another method called write, and we can see the difference between the two. Not only am I demonstrating the use of another method on console, but I'm also demonstrating the use of having more than 2 statements in a method. And again, what's going to happen is the C# compiler will emit code that executes each one of these statements in sequence. So what we'll see, actually I'm going to say 1, 2, and 3, and then just to make this point. It's funny that this might seem very simple to some people, but we do get confusion about the order that things are executed under. The most important thing to understand is that statements are executed in sequence. So when I hit F5, we get hello world 1, 2, and 3. Then we get 1, 2, and 3 down here. That's the result of the write method, which is very similar to the write-line method. The only difference is that the write-line method adds a new line to each one of the outputs. So those are the 2 ways that we can interact with the console as far as telling the console to print something.